Watcher, I'm Ian. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Essential Handyman. A couple of days ago I was asked to sharpen someone's lawnmower blade for them. Normally quite a straightforward process. This time I ran into an issue that I thought worth recording, so let me show you right now the problem I encountered. Okay, so this is the blade. Obviously it's normally held on with a nut. The nut is quite often troublesome, and I'll do another video on how to get a nut off and screws off that if you're struggling with that. But this one, the nut had come off. The lady wanted to bring me the blade, but she couldn't get the blade off of the spindle, off of the lawnmower. So that's the problem that we encountered. Safety first, of course. If it's an electric lawnmower, you must turn it off at the wall. This was a battery operated one, so before you go faffing around and touching the blade, always remove the power, whether it's electric or battery. You don't want this thing flying around and chopping your fingers off as you're trying to organise a little repair. Now, first thing you want to do, if you can't get the blade off, is just put a little bit of WD-40 on it. Let that soak in, let that penetrate in, see if it affects things. Give it a little tap with a mallet if you can. If it's not coming off, you can try a little bit of heat. Not really recommended because there's lots of plastic items down there. I tried all of those things, it wasn't coming off. So what I had to do is I had to go to Amazon and order this. It's a gear puller. It's a 2-lever gear puller. You can get these in 3 levers and I think even 4. They're designed for pulling something out while keeping the central nut intact. Because what you can do is, on situations like this, you can start using crowbars, you can start using claw hammers, etc. But what you run into there is the risk that you're going to break the lawnmower, you know. And for the sake of buying one of these, which is about £9–10 on Amazon, you ruin a perfectly good £100–200 lawnmower. Okay, I did this yesterday, and I've already sharpened the blade, as you can see, but I'm just going to talk you through the process. This is looser than it was yesterday. It was completely stuck. Let me show you. You put the central threaded bolt onto the bolt in the center, then you use your 2 arms to go underneath the blade. Now you can tighten this up by hand, but once it gets to pinch tight, unless you're Brian Shaw or someone like that, you're not going to get this off. A lot of people can use a impact driver or a screwdriver, something like that, an electric power tool. I don't like doing that. I like to feel, I like to do this slowly. I like to listen. Is anything creaking? Is anything breaking? Can I see anything bending that shouldn't be bending? Does it sound right? Does it sound wrong? So I use a ratchet set. Now this is a 17mm ratchet set, and I just put that over the top here, and then slowly we ratchet this up, and you'll see the 2 arms gradually lifting up the blade. It's got stiff there. See, now it's pulled it off. We now got okay, and now the blades come off. Yesterday this was completely seized on there, and I tried all sorts of techniques on trying to get this out. Wasn't coming anywhere, and if it wasn't for my gear puller, this would still be on there. That was completely seized. Now it goes on easily, can come off. I'll put a central nut back on there, and then this will be serviced and back in use. I hope that was helpful to you. I'll put a link down below for my Amazon affiliate link for this. I bought one this week, as I said. Cost about £10. If you use my affiliate links, then I get a few pence back. Helps the channel, helps me produce videos. I'll also put a link for a cheap socket set, just in case you haven't got one of these, because working in conjunction, pretty much what you need to do. I really wouldn't advise using an impact driver. Too many things can go south very quickly if you use an impact driver. Take your time, listen, feel, make sure nothing's breaking, and you should be fine. Hope this was helpful to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you don't mind. I'll see you on the next video. See ya.